I think these right here are an absolute game changer, not only when it comes to Goldbacks, but to the precious metals community in general. And I think that honestly, people are sleeping on these quite a bit. And I'm going to give you 3 reasons why that's the case throughout this video. Hey everyone, it's Kingdom Silver here. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Let's dive right in. And apologies that my voice is so rough this morning. It's a combination of allergies and also my wife and I had the privilege of going to some friends' wedding yesterday. It was just a wonderful experience. The music, the food, but most importantly, how much God was honored during their wedding ceremony. And guys, you know who you are. May God just richly bless your marriage for many, many years to come. It was an absolute honor getting to celebrate with you. So because of that, voice is a little rough. However, ladies and gentlemen, my sons are at my grandparents' so that we could go and celebrate this wedding. And so, hey, that means free childcare, and especially since it's tricky to get content out with a wonderful pack of boys running around, you gotta make hay while the sun shines. So with that, we are going to be talking about Goldbacks today. And this is the new quarter Goldback, and you can just see how radiant these things are. They are an absolute pain to try and record. But I think these right here are an absolute game changer, not only when it comes to Goldbacks, but to the precious metals community in general. And I think that, honestly, people are sleeping on these quite a bit. And I'm going to give you 3 reasons why that's the case throughout this video. And so the first one that we're going to get into is, these quarter Goldbacks are incredibly fractional, right? Each one of these is 1/4000th a troy ounce of 24 karat gold. And if you've watched this channel for a bit, you know how much I really enjoy fractional gold, but especially fractional silver, right? My channel's name's Kingdom Silver. I love fractional silver. And the reason why is, God forbid we ever get into a barter scenario in which we have to use precious metals. Now, I really hope that someday, and hopefully someday soon, we get the opportunity to use gold and silver every day in transactions, just like we would pay with cash, debit card, credit card, right? And I think that day is coming, and in some ways it's already here to some extent with Idaho Goldbacks, right? But a more mass adoption, I'd love to see that. However, due to the potential barter scenarios that one could have, that's why I advocate that at least a portion of your stack should be, and again, this isn't investment advice, this is just what I think is a good best practice, that I think it's good to have things like fractional gold and silver, like these Goldbacks, or especially junk silver, constitutional silver, 90% silver, however you want to say it. However, the Goldbacks did something here. These Goldbacks did something by creating this quarter Goldback. They have done something that no other company, mint, person that produces fractional gold and silver can say. And it's that this, ladies and gentlemen, is the lowest form of fractional gold and silver that is currently available today. Now, in the comments, again, please reach out if I've not got that information right, if you can find something smaller. But for my perspective in looking at this, the lowest form of fractional gold and silver for the longest time, I believe, was the junk silver dime, right? And at the time, and gosh, this was about a year and a half ago, I was looking up melt values. It was around $2.40 roughly. And that was a great way to get a very fractional value. However, with the rise of silver, that same dime now, as of the recording this morning, is around $5.40. The exchange rate on one of these little Goldbacks is $2.36. And even if you were going to use a silver bar, right, a 1 gram silver bar, and I looked it up this morning, the melt on those is usually around $2.48 at current prices. So this Goldback is more fractional, right? And as much as some people complain about the premiums with Goldbacks, right, Premiums on a 1 gram silver bar are way higher than the premium on this Goldback. I can guarantee you that. Now, if you find it at a local coin shop and you can get them lower, hey, God bless you, pick some up if you want. But these have that advantage and the claim of being now the lowest fractional form. Again, somebody else finds something lower in the comments, please let me know. Happy to stand corrected, but that is what I'm seeing today. So that's the first reason. And then I think the second reason that these are a game changer is I love the size of these. And right now I've got one of the Washington, D.C. Goldbacks, one of the limited editions, wanted to pick it up because of the 250th anniversary of our country. And just look at the size comparison here. And you know, this one Goldback, it's roughly the size of what you would see a dollar bill, maybe just a little bit different in size, right? These are a little bit chunkier. The dollar bills, I believe, are a little bit longer, but you know, you can kind of get that. These Idaho Goldbacks are much smaller, so you can fit a lot more of these in a small wallet and be able to take these and use them in your day-to-day transactions. So I think that's also a game changer as well. And then the last thing is the new security features that they've implemented. And this is one of the things that I think Goldbacks is amazing at, is the design of these is absolutely gorgeous. You know, here's another one. I've got the half Goldback here. These are beautiful, especially since gosh, what was it? The new designs that came out, was it around, I think, the Florida Goldbacks? The new designs are just absolutely gorgeous, but these security features and the way that they combine, not only these being some of the most secure forms of gold and silver payment out there, because these things, it would almost be impossible to counterfeit these, right? The new security features on these just add that extra artistic flair. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to turn off the lights, and I'm going to show you why the security features here just combine such artistic expression and just absolute, hey, you can't fake these. So getting one of these quarter Goldbacks again, I've got a UV light, and if I shine this UV light on this, look at that. You see those little butterflies there in the corner that popped up. So turning off the light again, putting it back on, and there's those little butterflies. It used to be that on the back, you would see the Goldbacks, they had those little, like their little logo, and I think that was a nice added security feature, but the fact that they've made these more of an artistic expression, I think is so cool. Since I've got a couple, and see, you can actually see them, right, as you shine the UV light on there. I'm gonna show you the half Goldback as well while I've got it. And the security features there. Oh, you can see them right there on the lake. And then I think some of the coolest security features are on this new Washington limited edition Goldback. Look at that. You can see the fireworks going on display. The rockets, and you can also see the little design here on the side glowing as well. And then it's just so cool. Oh, I didn't notice that as well. You can see the flag as well. The white on the flag is incorporated in that. I think that's just so stinking cool. So for those reasons, I think Goldbacks are, especially these quarter Goldbacks, are an absolute game changer. And honestly, a little surprised that the community isn't talking about it more. Now, as we know, these are very controversial, right, to the community. But in the comments, I want to hear from you. What do you think of these new quarter Goldbacks? Do you like the design? Do you like the new security features? Do you like the fractional size of them? Why or why not? Because I know from previous experience, there's a lot of opinions on Goldbacks. Would love to hear your thoughts. With that, I'm going to go rest my voice, ladies and gentlemen. Be blessed. Be a blessing to others. We will see you later.